Side by side, you know Ricardo's Australian riders, same, they're same team, you know Red Bull. They belong to the same team.
I'll think it was fine.
33. Yeah, there's a Pris.
Better now?
This is where they had their Formula One, the Grand Prix. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, and this is my world upon wheels, and these are some very fast wheels that have come through here. So Jeff, how often is the Grand Prix held here?
1 year once.
All this construction for just 1 year?
Yes.
Yeah, once a year.
Yeah, once a year.
Yeah.
So most of the time will be just vacant, no.
Well, more room for us to pedal.
Huh?
More room for us to pedal.
Yeah, it is. But sometimes there's some private event.
Oh, sure.
They book, but it's not very often. It's very kind of a rare.
Well, it costs a lot of money, I'm sure.
Yeah. Okay, we are going there. Simon. That's the hotel.
I know.
Is that where you stay? Is that where your business put you up last night? Tonight? Oh, that's great.
You actually can check in this afternoon,
Yeah.
right? Where's the current hotel you're staying?
Shangri-La.
Shangri-La, Orchard Road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Grove.
yeah.
Orchard Grove.
Yeah,
Orange Grove.
Orange Grove, yeah.
Okay. Since you got 1 night, and John, how many nights you have in Singapore?
Just tonight.
Just tonight too?
Well, tomorrow. I was here last night.
Oh,
But I am budget.
have
I'm on a limited. I'm on a fixed income. Not that
Oh,
I'm
okay. So have you
retired.
done this the visit around the Bay Area?
No.
No.
Okay, I'm going to brief you some and give you some recommendations and how to cover this area in one evening time. The time had to be right because there's 2 light show which is going on. One is over at the giant tree there behind the dome, and another one is right in front of the water, in front of the hotel.
Okay.
There's a laser show. I mean, you don't want to watch the laser show in a hotel or on the rooftop. You got to get it right there in front of the water.
Okay.
So, okay, I would suggest that you come back, you visit, first thing to do is 4 p.m, go up to the Sky Park.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, look, there's a bar there called Salavi. I mean, to go up there, there's 3 ways. Either you become the guest of the hotel,
Yeah.
there's a free access, you can go up there. And if you're not, probably you can buy a ticket, go up to about $23.
Ooh, that's too much.
Yes, that's too much. So the best way is actually get a drink voucher at the hotel lobby, which is on
Ah.
hour 3. $20 drink vouchers, and you go up, you collect a drink in your hand. You
Okay.
can get a cocktails or a beer or something, then you enjoy your view up there. Yeah, so you get free
I'll get
access.
water and it looks like vodka. I'll say it's
Yeah.
vodka.
So actually, that's the best way to visit this the Sky Park. Okay, it's preferably this place rather than this Singapore Flyer, because this is only 165 meter tall,
Okay.
and since you are staying at a hotel, that is 200 meter tall, which is higher than Singapore Flyer.
Okay.
Yeah. So and you don't gotta get a lot of time up there because it's a rotation
Yeah,
wheel.
yeah.
So you got all your time up there. So you don't have to rush your view,
Yeah.
and your drink up there at the Salavi.
Yeah, exactly. We still need to make a booking at Salavi, I guess.
No, you don't have to. It's a bar. But
Okay,
after
but they
6
also have a
p.m., there's
restaurant, don't they?
lounge open for